deep where the wild winds blow. Red elephant roams with a calm, steady glow. His best friend, the rat, small and so brave. Their story of friendship, all critters do rave. Red elephant strong, with a heart pure and true. With brave little rats, they're a powerful crew. Together they conquer the jungle so wide. In a tale of friendship, every creature takes pride. Oh, they walk side by side in the thick jungle path, where the trees whisper tales of their joy and their wrath. Red elephant's might and the rat's fearless stand. Their bond is legend throughout jungle land. Every creature gathers when they hear the tale of the red elephant and the rat who's no frail. With power and bravery they rule the wild. In the heart of the forest their legacy styled. From dawn's early light to the moon's silver glow, side by side in the jungle their legend does grow. Red elephant's wisdom with the rat by his side. In the heart of the jungle their destinies tied. Oh, the wind sings their praises, the rivers do tell of the red mighty elephant and the rat who does dwell. In the jungle lush green where their bond stays so strong, every animal knows their friendship's sweet song. They walk side by side in a thick jungle path, where the trees whisper tales of their joy and their wrath. Red elephant's might and the rat's fearless stand. Their bond is legend throughout jungle land. Oh, they walk side by side in the thick jungle path, where the trees whisper tales of their joy and their wrath. Red elephant's might and the rat's fearless stand. Their bond is legend throughout jungle land. Their bond is legend throughout jungle land.